شكرا يا ربي شكرا.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Amir and I am mother of Abdul Hanan and Abdul Rafi. Abdul Hanan is in class 5 and Abdul Rafi is in class 4, and they both are students of Al-Qalam. And I am very glad that I admitted my both students here, because the staff here and the education system here, I am very much satisfied with this school system and with the education system. And in fact I am very much glad that they both are not even involved in the education system but also in our Islamic system. Alhamdulillah. And I am very much glad that I am part of Al-Qalamians families. Thank you so much.
شكرا يا رب شكرا
يا رب يا رحمن
شكرا يا رب شكرا يا رب شكرا يا ربي شكرا. هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا. شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت